Taoiseach Micheál Martin has held talks with Pope Leo at the Vatican and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni in Palazzo Chigi in Rome. The Taoiseach said Pope Leo is determined to try to move the world in a direction away from war. His meeting with the Prime Minister comes ahead of Ireland's presidency of the EU in July and a day after he met President Macron in Paris.
The Taoiseach's delegation arrives at Palazzo San Damaso in the heart of the Vatican. Accompanied by his wife Mary, Micheál Martin was welcomed to the Apostolic Palace by the prefect of the papal household, Monsignor Petar Rajic. Pope Leo was just 1 year into the job, but he's already had a public entanglement with President Donald Trump over US foreign policy, and he's said to have been alarmed by some of Mr. Trump's domestic actions directed at undocumented migrants. While he's been distinctly outspoken on geopolitics, in his 45-minute meeting with the Taoiseach, Pope Leo stuck to the broader conflict in the Middle East and the resurgence of war in general.
We had a discussion on conflict, and he was interested in the cessation of conflict in Northern Ireland, but also how does one sustain a peace, how does one nurture a peace, because I pointed out to him that it's one thing to achieve a peace in terms of an agreement, but the much more difficult task is actually nurturing that peace along building reconciliation.
The Taoiseach said both men had discussed clerical abuse in Ireland. He suggested to the Pope that religious orders needed to be more proactive on the issue of redress.
I did point out that the government was, because we've established a commission of inquiry into day schools and boarding schools, and that some orders, one or two orders have come forward, but a lot of orders haven't.
Next up, Palazzo Chigi, where the Taoiseach was hosted by Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni for discussions on the upcoming Irish presidency. Afterwards, Ms Meloni hoped that the European Commission would grant the same fiscal flexibility to Italy to combat the energy crisis as it had for defence spending. The Taoiseach sidestepped that request, but said both leaders were committed to boosting Europe's competitiveness.
Because without a strong and competitive economy, Europe will not simply be able to improve the living standards of the people we represent, our citizens, and to protect our people from external threats.
In the past 24 hours, the Taoiseach has met two of the most influential leaders in the European Union, both in Paris and here in Rome. And by and large, there has been a meeting of minds on the key issues that will dominate the Irish presidency, not least the energy crisis and food security. This meeting with Pope Leo will also be a reminder that the Middle East conflict will overshadow Ireland's presidency of the European Union. Tony Connolly, RTE News, Rome.